Hi everyone. In this video, I am going to show how you can extract information from a YouTube video using Google Notebook LM. So let's say for example, you want to extract all the important details or information from a YouTube video. What you should do is you should go to that particular YouTube video first. So let's say for example, in my case, it is this YouTube video which is Citrix VDI cannot start desktop error. So I would like to know what are all the troubleshooting steps that are done in this particular video. So what I will do is I will simply copy the link. Okay, I'm going to copy the link. I'm going back to Google Notebook LM, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down and you see create new notebook here. Click on create new notebook. Once you click on it, you see all these details here. Okay, and you see an option called link here. Under link you have website and you have YouTube. Click on YouTube. Once you click on YouTube, it says paste in a YouTube URL below to upload as a source in Notebook LM. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste the YouTube URL here and I'm going to click on insert. So it is trying to analyze the data in this particular video. So it has already analyzed the information in this particular YouTube video. So it says this source details troubleshooting steps for common Citrix virtual desktop infrastructure errors, specifically the connection interrupted message. It explores solutions from two perspectives: a single user's client-side issues focusing on internet connectivity and stability, and multiple users server-side problems. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type here, please list all the important troubleshooting steps mentioned in this video, and I'm going to hit enter. So in a few seconds it is going to give all the troubleshooting steps mentioned in this particular video. So if you see now the video Citrix VDI can't start desktop error by Tech Guide discusses troubleshooting steps for connection issues in a Citrix environment, specifically the connection interrupted. So these are the troubleshooting steps. Ask the user if the issue is frequent or occasional. Determine if it is a single user issue or multiple user issue. If it is multiple users, it could indicate an issue with the Citrix infrastructure or another component. If one or two users are affected, this problem is likely on the user's local side. So it is giving all the important steps that are mentioned in this particular video. So you don't have to watch like 30 minutes video or 60 minutes video. All you need to do is take the link, put it in Notebook LM and give a simple command to give the important information that is mentioned in this video, and it is going to give all these steps in this order. So this is very important tool. So it is not only just Citrix video. You can take any video from YouTube. Maybe you like to listen to audiobooks, maybe you are watching some movie, or it could be anything that is giving a lot of information. Maybe it could be a TED talk or something. So just take the YouTube link, put it in Notebook LM and ask Notebook LM to retrieve the information or give the important details mentioned in the video, and it is going to give all the details. So this is very helpful for you. This is very helpful for you because it is going to save a lot of time. Alright, I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye.